What's up, guys? It's January 1st, 2025. Oh my gosh. 2025, man. First day of the new year. Hope you guys did good. I had a tough day. I walked away with 40 bucks. I took 6 trades. It was a hard day. I think we had like 100 and some point range from top to bottom. 110 point range, and more than half of that was range bound. So, we have a range here. And we had a range here, which pretty much is all range. But we did have that swoosh down into the lower range today, which was the trade of the day. Of course, we don't know what the trade of the day is until after the fact. Daily chart, 15-minute chart. But this bar right here is the overnight session. We're rallying. I hope we rally until the infinity because on this day, I bought an options contract for a long, but it expires on the 8th. So I have some leeway. Hopefully, we get back to the EMA. Oh, man. Pretty excited for the new year. Trying to take things slow. Stack. I want to get like 5 or 6 accounts and just make $50 to $100 a day, and that'll be a few thousand a month. Off to a good start in that direction. And I'm trading the same setup. I'm gonna keep elaborating on that setup. In this channel we trade micro channels, pullbacks, and the way we talk about the micro channels and pullbacks are from the market cycle perspective. So the market cycle and leg count give us context, and the setup is a micro channel, which is a breakout and a pullback. We wait for 3 or more bars to consist. So here we have 3 bars, so that tells us limit order trader trapped. And in this situation, the micro channel failed. I actually did take a hit right there. And then here we have another. This is actually becoming a sell vacuum, but there was a second leg down you could have traded. I did trade it, but I didn't really make too much money. I had to hit out. I traded here, made a little bit, and I got trapped here. So it was a hard day. Nonetheless, let's talk about it. We have a gap up with bar 1 being a big bear bar, so not good for the bulls, good for the bears because now we're rejecting the higher time frame EMA. This is the 45-minute EMA. This is the daily. This is the 15-minute. We didn't even talk about the daily and 15-minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bear bars in a row, and now we're starting to, we have a little bull bar. This is the overnight session, so we don't actually know what's going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow we could go sideways, we could sell off, we could rally. Those are the only 2 things that could ever actually happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bear bars. I think is strong enough for a second leg, but we're also at support, and I think a lot of things could happen. I think bears could get 1 tick below here. I think bulls could pull back above here, and then we sell off and get to the EMA and sell off. So here's a 15-minute chart, daily EMA. We've had quite a few legs lower. So this doji, see this doji right here? That's right here, and then we break down leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. This pullback was pretty deep compared to this pullback, right? So this was shallow. This was deeper. Kind of like an expanding triangle. Sold off and reversed. Bears never made it to the range low, so they might have some unfinished business down there. Now let's talk about the 5-minute time frame. Bar 1, we have a gap up. Bar 1, big bear bar selling off at the higher time frame EMA. Not good for the bulls, good for the bears. Bar 2, good for the bears. Strong follow through. Should get a second leg down. However, we're selling into support in a bull channel. So here's that bull channel, and 50% of breakouts in bull channels fail. 1 second, I'm gonna cough. 50% of breakouts in bull and channels in general fail, not just bull channels. So we see the breakout and it fails. We vacuum all the way down to the channel lows, and then we vacuum right back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big problem with this open because now we have bars 1 and 2 that should get second leg, and we have bars 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up to bar 9 that should get second leg. But what happens when we have 2 channels against each other? Well, that's range bound price action, the bane of a breakout trader. I hate it. I don't hate it. I do hate it, actually. I do hate it. Then we, so I bought bar 9 because bar 8 was the first pullback, but we technically never broke a low, so I ended up buying high in the range. Bar 8 trapped me. Bar 8 traps bulls. Bar 7, what the heck? Bar 9, bar 10, 11, bar 11, good follow through for the bears. And we start to sell off. Do the bears get 1 tick below bar 2? They do get 1 tick below bar 2. Not really. They get double bottom with bar 15, and then we rally for 2 legs. This becomes a pullback. when I got trapped here, I bought here, I bought 12, and I bought the low of 15, and I was able to get out for a point on a 17. I think a lot of bulls that were trapped here did that, and then it vacuums down. So now we have a leg 1, 14 breaks the trend line, leg 1, pull back leg 2, deep trend line, leg 3, deep trend line break, excuse me. These two bull bars are trend line break for this bear leg. Sells off, failed breakout. I thought this rally was going to get a second leg, and I bought their 33 high and got trapped here. I just reversed my position and made it back. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bull bars in a row. You would think that would get a second leg. However, this could be the second leg to this that ultimately failed. It never made it one tick past here. So EMA is acting as we're in a bear regime because we're below the higher time frame EMA. So bull setups should fail more often, and that's exactly what we see here. I say that to myself a lot, but I just kind of I guess it just slipped my mind today. I don't know what to tell you guys. And when we're in a bear regime, bull setups fail. When we're in a bull regime, bear setups fail. So we have this ends up becoming a vacuum, testing the high here. Now we have some sort of leg 1 pullback triangle, right? Like push 1, pull back, excuse me, push 1, push 2, push 3, high of 33, push 4, then bears go for the breakout. Very strong bars, all closing on their lows. 36 makes the bear legs kind of climactic in it. So we have 34, 35, good size bars. 36 becomes climactic, putting in a very big gap. 37, good follow through. 38, 39, 40, great follow through. I actually thought we would trend for the rest of the day when I saw this, but now I'm starting to think these were really nice looking bear bars after bear trends, but could be somewhat climactic. We won't know until tomorrow's price action. We won't know until the 3rd, January 3rd. You know, I'm sipping that juice. Leg 1, pull back. 45 creates a double bottom. 49 goes one tick below 40, 41. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, because 43 goes one tick below here. When we're looking for second legs, the minimum requirement is to go one tick past the prior leg we're trading. So that happened each time. So although it was not fun, one tick below 53, one tick below. So there's your second leg, third leg. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. This is a tight trading range. We pretty much went into a tight trading range after this big sell-off. We had multiple bull rallies. I think bulls wanted to get back here that were trapped, and bears started to, rather than selling bull bars, that was happening here. All bull bars were getting sold. 66, bear bars started to get bought. 57, the bear bars are bought. So we have 3 legs down. That completes this price structure. And then we go sideways. 54, 55. Bulls are trying to get the breakout. Bad follow through. 56, 57. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. Pretty bad breakout. We do have a gap here. And then we pull back and rally. I actually thought I got short on 66 looking for a quick test here, but I hit out very fast because I thought this was leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Wedge top, sell off. Bear regime, right? I just said bull setups fail, but the bears seem to have been overextended. We're in a tight trading range. It's buy low, sell high. Bulls are buying bear bars at 67. Rallies, gets the second leg 73. Pull back, tight trading range. Let's go over the gaps and call it. It was a tough day, 110 points. That's a hard day. We have a gap here. Trading range price action. Gaps get closed, and it does get closed. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Now we have a bull gap. Now we have another bull gap. I thought this was strong enough to have some sort of small pullback trend. However, it was not. And yeah, that's why I got trapped. You know, that's part of the game, but not every system. There's no 100% system. There's no system that will be profitable 100% of the time. However, that's where the discretion comes in. I was a little bit hasty seeing this rally, and what I could have done was wait for bar 10. Oh wow, bar 10 should get a second leg. There's its second leg. 11. Oh wow, 11 should get a second leg. And then maybe I buy around here. I wouldn't get mad at that. I get stopped out. But buying at range highs after gaps are getting closed, well, that's my fault. That's a misread. I fixed it. I'm not in favor of fixing trades, but I saw the range bound price action and knew I'd get saved if I bought low so I bought this bar. I bought the 15 close and I got out on the 17 high as it rallied. And if I got out on the close, I actually would have been down a point. And my price line was literally like it was right here. So I made like 1 point sell off. I missed this sell off because I wasn't ready for it. And then the rally. We have some really nice bear gaps that I think could stay open all day. And at the time, I thought we were going to trend lower. However, this is the third day of selling, fourth day of selling. Becoming climactic. I think the fact that 36 was climactic and it got followed through put a dampener for all day sell off, because when we see a breakout, we want to see orderly bars. Look, there's no gaps inside trading range. A lot of gaps here. Now let's talk about the trades. So here's a good trade, and I'm going to start adding trades that fail, because I think that's important. So we have 3 bars here, and then we buy the pullback 8, and it fails. We get out of bar closing below its low. We get out at 10. You got to get out before that 1R gets hit. We have 3 bars here. So 10, 11. It starts at the high of 9. 9 is a doji, but there's a bear bar up there, so you can measure from here. Fractal price action. Put it down there. You meet your 1-to-1. You don't necessarily get your 1-to-1, maybe short 18. Nonetheless, trading range price action, we have to scalp. And then we see this rally. Definitely looks like it should get a second leg with this 2-legged pullback here. One pullback leg 2. I bought 33 thinking that was a wedge bottom. And I got out quickly because I was already in tune with this getting stopped out right here. So we'll just move that to the side. And then I was not looking for a measured move of this, but I was looking for a second leg. I shorted 42. Excuse me, I shorted 43. Shorted the high here. I got out around 48. I got trapped here, and then I just called it a day. And then we have 3 bars here. 58, 59, 60. Put it on the pullback. Maybe you buy the close of 62. You actually would meet that. I don't know if you want to sit through 63. You could scalp out. Again, it's range bound price action, so you should scalp out. We have another rally late in the day. Not worth the trade. It's not met. I think that actually does get met on the overnight price action. It does, but still not worth the trade. So there's the trades for the day. First day of the year wrapped up. I'm gonna do a monthly P&L breakdown since I'm trading live. I don't plan on blowing up. And yeah, I look forward to being profitable with you guys. I'm going to payouts this year. I'm going to take it slower than hell. Tortoises are going to beat me in a race, and so be it. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys rocking me. Some of you have been here since the start of last year. And in the start of last year, if you remember, I almost had a payout, and then I got smashed. And now I'm not going to make the same mistakes again. I'm taking precautions. I'm doing things outside of trading to work on my psychology that I'll share with you guys once I'm done. If you message me on Discord, you know what I'm talking about. And then, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for sticking with me for a year, and here's to another, hopefully, profitable year. Cheers, everyone. If you learned something, share the show. Don't be a hoe, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.